Apple is rumored to be working on a new addition to its product lineup that has generated plenty of buzz for its first flip-style phone. Several leaks and features have emerged about this upcoming release, which will be part of Apple's growing focus on foldable and flexible displays. The most intriguing leak regarding the design comes from Mac Rumors, which suggests that Apple is working on a clamshell-style foldable, similar to Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip. The phone will feature a flexible OLED display that folds in half, allowing users to carry a large screen in a much smaller form factor. This OLED display would be supplied by LG, known for its high-quality, flexible screens. When unfolded, the display is expected to measure around 6.7 inches. What sets this device apart from others is the rumor that Apple will use a more advanced type of ultra-thin glass to avoid the visible creasing issue that plagues other foldables. Ming-Chi Kuo has a solid track record when it comes to Apple products. Kuo suggests that the iPhone 17 Flip will feature a completely foldable design. This will be Apple's first venture into the foldable smartphone market, a bold step following the success of similar models from competitors like Samsung. According to Kuo, Apple has been meticulously working to ensure that the folding mechanism is more durable and reliable than current models on the market, meaning the hinge will be less prone to wear and tear, offering a seamless user experience even after thousands of folds. Backing up these claims, industry insider Ross Young provided additional information on his display supply chain platform, where he highlighted Apple's partnership with LG Display. Young disclosed that Apple is working with LG to develop a hybrid OLED screen, one that's both thin and flexible, perfect for the foldable nature of the upcoming device. Unlike other foldable phones that have visible creases where the screen folds, Apple's model is rumored to use ultra-thin glass to minimize this issue, leading to a smoother and more aesthetically pleasing experience. Max Weinbach, another reliable source known for his insights into Apple's development, shared his findings on Twitter. He revealed that the iPhone 17 Flip could come with a unique camera system, including a periscope lens that allows for better zoom functionality. The phone is also expected to feature a 48-megapixel primary sensor and improved night mode capabilities. Weinbach mentioned that the phone will come with a dual camera setup on the back, but due to the folding nature, the cameras will be optimized for both open and closed configurations, allowing users to take high-quality selfies or wide-angle shots, regardless of how they hold the device. Adding more intrigue, popular tech YouTuber John Prosser released a video where he discussed a leak that suggests the upcoming phone might not have physical buttons. Instead, it will rely on solid-state buttons, which use haptic feedback to simulate the feel of pressing a button. This would further enhance the sleek design and durability, as fewer moving parts mean less risk of malfunction. Prosser's sources within the supply chain claim that Apple is working on advanced haptic engines to make these solid-state buttons feel indistinguishable from real ones, providing users with a seamless tactile experience. In terms of performance, Mark Gurman from Bloomberg leaked that the foldable phone will be powered by Apple's upcoming A18 chip, offering better processing power and energy efficiency compared to its predecessors. Gurman reported that this chip is designed specifically to handle the multitasking needs of a foldable phone, allowing users to run multiple apps smoothly in split-screen mode or easily transition from phone mode to tablet mode without any lag. Additionally, the phone is expected to support 5G connectivity and possibly even satellite communication. Moving on to the battery life, a report from the LX stated that Apple is working on improving battery technology for the iPhone 17 Flip. The foldable phone is rumored to come with 2 separate battery cells, one for each side of the device, which will work in tandem to offer a longer battery life than its competitors. The improved efficiency of the A18 chip combined with this dual battery system, is expected to make the device last longer on a single charge, even when used intensively throughout the day. As for security, Apple analyst Jeff Pugh mentioned in a podcast interview that the upcoming foldable phone will likely introduce an under-display Face ID feature. This innovation would remove the need for a notch, making the screen fully immersive while maintaining Apple's high standards for user security. Pugh highlighted that Apple has been working on refining this technology to ensure it functions just as smoothly and securely as the current Face ID system, even though the sensors will be hidden beneath the screen. According to a leak by Phone World, the highly anticipated iPhone 17 Flip may not be released until 2026 or 2027, as Apple is known for its precision and dedication to creating a flawless user experience. When it does launch, the iPhone 17 Flip is expected to carry a premium price, ranging between $1,000 and $1,200, which is in line with Apple's usual strategy of pricing its cutting-edge devices at the higher end of the market. With all these exciting leaks and features, it's clear that Apple is aiming to set a new standard in the smartphone market. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on this highly anticipated release.